टेस्ट मैच विच गलतियां दी गुंजाइश नहीं होंदी। कप्तान कौमी टेस्ट टीम शान मसूद का कहना है कि टेस्ट मैच विच कोई भी गलती बतौर सजा सामने आंदी है। बैटिंग बॉलिंग तो फील्डिंग विच चंगी कारकर्दगी का मुजाहिरा नहीं कर सकते।
Mistakes, and when you make 360 runs in the fourth innings of a game, you kind of expect to be on the right side of it. But I think in the previous three innings we had quite a lot to reflect on, things that put us back in the game and made the target a really big one. And from there, even with the batting, when we got to 142 for 4, and there are two set batsmen in Test cricket, you have to go big. So there are things we didn't do in the first three innings. That's why the effort on the fourth and the fifth day didn't really materialize into a win. Test cricket, you're going to be punished with any mistake you make. It's unforgiving, and Test cricket is always played by the best of the best. You're not going to get any easy games, and you have to really grind results out. And I think that's what we need to do as